Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. I am Ashutosh Kumar Jha, PGT Biology. Today I am going to explain the hormonal actions, that is mechanism of hormone action. How hormone works on specific organs called target organ. The hormones produce their effect on target tissues by binding to a specific protein. All hormones are specific in functions and they functions on only target organs, target tissues. Hormones produce their effect on target tissues by binding to a specific protein called hormone receptors. Now, hormone receptors may be present on the membrane of cells or inside the cell. That means receptors binding to a specific protein called hormone receptors located in the target tissue only. The hormone receptor present on the cell membrane of the target cells called membrane bound receptors. If the receptors present on the cell membrane of the target cells, then they are called membrane bound receptors, and the receptors present inside the cell are called intracellular receptors. Intracellular receptors are mostly nuclear receptors because they are present in nucleus. Binding of hormone to its receptor lead to formation of hormone receptor complex. Receptor and hormone bind together to form hormone receptor complex. Now this complex, each receptor is specific to one hormone. One hormone combines with only one receptor, and each receptor is specific to particular hormone. Each receptor is specific to one hormone only. Due to formation of hormone receptor complex, certain biochemical changes occurs in target tissues, and hence metabolism changes. By the change in metabolism, some changes occurs in the cells, their physiology also change. That means physiological functions are regulated by hormones. Hormones regulate the physiological function of the target tissues, and hence physiological functions are regulated by hormones. On the basis of chemical nature, hormones may be peptide, polypeptide, and protein hormones, one category of hormone. Next category of hormone is steroid hormones, and another category of hormones is iodothyronines, just like thyroxine, and fourth category of hormone is amino acid derivatives. So these are the four categories of hormones. In a nutshell, you can say that each hormone acts on a specific organ called target organ, just like a particular key to fit in a particular lock, not like a master key to fit in every lock. And each hormone acts on their target organ. Hormones liberated from endocrine glands diffuses in blood, goes to their target organ, where they bind to the receptors, either receptors present on membrane or receptors may be present inside the cell, and hormone receptor complex is formed. After the formation of hormone receptor complex, some biochemical changes occurs in the target cells, and due to change in biochemical nature, the physiological functions of the target cells are controlled by hormone. In this way, hormone acts on their specific organ called target organ.